Hello everyone, welcome to the last session of our first course on Agentic AI. Here, we will look into the demo of our system which we built in last 15 sessions. So let's run the application by running python main.py file. Now it started running, let's write our first prompt. Here I'm giving a prompt asking it to calculate compound interest with specific values. Notice that it starts the calculation and processes the mathematical formula correctly. Next prompt, I'm going to ask what principal amount I mention, and you'll notice that it returns me the same value. This means our agent is capable of remembering what I said, which normal chatbots don't have. Now let's look at the second example. Here, I'm giving a more complex prompt, asking it to plan a budget with a specific income and percentages, and also to search for budgeting tips. Notice how it coordinates multiple tools. First, it performs the calculations, and then it searches the web for additional information. You'll see that it has returned the details along with 5 reference links to help manage a student budget. This is really impressive. Now, let's move on to the memory test. In the next prompt, I ask, what was my monthly income that I told you about? You'll notice that it correctly returns the same value, $4,500, along with the context. This demonstrates that our agent has perfect memory retention. For the third example, I'm asking it to search for the latest developments in AI agents in 2025. Notice how it uses the web search tool to get current information beyond its training data and provides comprehensive results. You'll also see that it has returned 5 reference links. Now, let's do the memory test again for this example. I ask, what topic did I ask you to search for in my previous message? You'll notice that it remembers the exact search query, the latest developments in AI agents in 2025, along with the information it found. This shows perfect memory retention across the entire conversation. And that's a wrap on our first Agentic AI course. Over these 15 sessions, we've built a complete personal assistant agent from scratch. We implemented the React pattern, created tool orchestration integrated with OpenAI's API, and built a beautiful CLI interface. You now have a solid foundation in building intelligent agents that can reason, act, and solve complex problems using multiple tools. In our upcoming course, we're taking this to the next level with a real world project, building a Microsoft 365 admin agent using the Model Context Protocol. We'll create a production grade system that can manage users, handle compliance, automate admin tasks, and integrate deeply with the entire M365 ecosystem. This will be a live, hands-on project where you'll see how these agentic AI concepts apply to solving actual business problems in enterprise environments. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the M365 Admin Agent course. Try extending what we built today, experiment with new tools, and I'll see you in the next course where we build something truly incredible together. Until then, keep building and keep learning.